One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is a walk around of a 20-foot U-Haul truck. And they told us it's 20 foot. I'm thinking it seems more like 17. Either way, it's a huge truck. It's a TT3873E. I think that's just their inner number. It's got the big 6.8 liter V10. Nice truck. Now I tell you, I hear some people saying, oh, U-Haul's got crappy trucks. Man, they gave us this truck with 73,000 miles. It runs great, it drives great. Everything about this truck and the maintenance and everything else is in tip-top shape. There's not a problem with it. We just actually took a bunch of trash. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the cargo area, just so you can see the cargo area. That's something I don't usually show on some things, but this is the cargo area. There's a lot of room. And you gotta sweep it out, clean it out after. Don't forget to do that or they will charge you. It has a nice ramp, which is right here. Very easy to load and unload stuff. They will, actually you can rent people right on the U-Haul site to help you. And let me see if I can zoom up on that. They got a lot of options. They are easy to drive. One of the other, sorry about that. One of the other videos I made, let me just, there we go. One of the other videos I made, I had a lot of younger people, I guess, and older people, and ladies, and guys, and everybody asking, oh man, I don't think I could drive it, it's too big. No, no, no. It's really pretty easy to drive, and it's in great shape. They're nice trucks. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Gunner has the U-Haul here. We're gonna load up trash. I don't know what I'm gonna film, but I'm gonna film something. Okay, I didn't film any of it, but Gunner and Krill and me, and we just loaded this stuff up, and we got a whole thing full. About an hour, huh? Whew, about an hour?
1 hour.
1 hour.
Wow.
A lot of trash. 20-foot truck, they say, but I'm not really sure yet. Well, I'll film some more at the shop. We're actually in the U-Haul now. We're gonna get weighed, and then we're gonna dump all the stuff. I'm making this to throw in the video as we do it, and I'll show us in the back and halfway unload it maybe. Look at how many people are here today. Wow. They got dump trailers, most of them and stuff. Inside the dump here, I'll tell you what, there's all kinds of stuff. Gunner's back here. We've unloaded all this, but yeah, buddy, it's huge. Okay, I'd say it's about 15 minutes total. And we got all this out. You drive forward, I'll close up, I guess. So here we are. We got everything out. That's it. Lots of junk. Lots of junk. Lots of junk. The immense pile of junk that we had in there is amazing. We got the big tractors here all the time, buddy. Okay. I'll tell you what, Gunner's doing good, and he's a great worker, meaning this. He's not just Mr. Mechanic. Like, hey, I'm gonna fix things, that's all I do. No, it takes a little bit of work like this around here, and he's doing good at doing all of it with me. And I appreciate that, and I hope he sees this. And I say it, I hope I say it enough. You do good. Really. Some people think, can you do that? I got a camera. Some people think, oh, all I do is work on cars. No, 1 out of 30 days it would work, it took this. Yeah. And you knew it coming. I told you ahead of time. He does good. Yeah, buddy. So we're out of here. Yeehaw! So here we are. There's the guard shack. We got it weighed, and we're out of here. Yeehaw. Let me show you the inside of it. God, that looks fresh, don't it? Hope not. It's got 75,815 miles. Beautiful. Nice seats and everything. It's in great shape. Make a video. Let me say this when it's up here. Make a video of the truck when you pick it up. Always make a video. 6.8 liter. And the main thing is to show you it's clean. It's a clean truck. Everything about it is nice. These are great rigs. If you need a thing, just go to uhaul.com. This is not a endorsed video. I don't make money from it. I just like showing people the different trucks and the different stuff. And I'll tell you what, everything about the way you start it up, ice cold AC. They inspect their trucks regularly. Three 12-volt power supplies and an audio input. Control package thing. It's hard to beat. That's all there is to say about it. Okay, thanks for watching. That's the deal. Excuse me. That's the deal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are. And by the way, look at these tires. Michelin's. Nice. Lots of tread. The trucks are maintained and great. Just go to uhaul.com, rent it. I don't know nothing about telling you any big... Don't ask me questions here. It's just a review of a truck. Check my channel. I do all kinds of videos, and I sell cars. Lots of them. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Goodbye.